Take your Hilux head unit to the next level with this awesome plug-and-play upgrade from Polaris. The latest Hilux models feature either a 6.2 or 7-inch screen, but the Polaris Maxx has a massive 10.1-inch screen. With integration to your Android standard or support for your iPhone with the CarPlay USB option, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Google Maps and the option for TomTom Australia wide maps, support for music streaming apps like Spotify or Apple Music, and the ability to add all your apps directly onto the head unit, so apps like contacts, messages and navigation can all be accessed without even having to touch your phone. And you can add HEMA off-road maps too, so you can keep your dash clutter-free for those epic trips away. Installation is easy because the unit is a direct plug and play and it retains the factory steering wheel controls. It's the ultimate all-in-one setup, so get a Polaris Maxx in your Hilux today.